Especially these ones are not strong weeds now, so they are not from the root.
That's what I was doing now. That's exactly what I'm doing. That's exactly what I'm doing.
Hey.
Hey, I can't believe you came here. I'm sorry. I'm sorry that I didn't come to your show before coming here. My mom insisted I should come here first.
Are you serious? It's okay.
Sorry.
It's okay. But you're fine.
Very well,
I said it. I said it. Huh? I said it. That this man who is always opening his eyes like a terrified rabbit is a womanizer. Huh? But you should have waited for her to come back in the house than you tracing her to this farm for a knee trembler. Huh? Wonder shall never end. No wonder you were muzzling up for me the other day. I will find out who your parents are.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.